Please
May
come.
I come in?
Please come.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, બેસો. કો આપનો પરિચય આપો.
Sir, ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલું કે ગુજરાતી?
As you please.
Okay. Sir, I have done my schooling in Gujarat board, Maharashtra board and Central board.
ઓહો.
Apart from that, I have completed my graduation and post-graduation in integrated MSc chemistry from NIT Surat. I was a silver medalist with 9.4 CGPA. Apart from academics, I also have various extracurricular achievements. Like I have been first in NCC C certificate examination in Baroda. I have also played 5 years inter-NIT volleyball tournaments. Apart from that, I have interest in public speaking.
Achha, how it happened that you had various boards?
Sir, I was born in Jamnagar, so I studied in Gujarat board. Later, we shifted to Mumbai.
Okay. Which board you like the most? You had good experience.
Sir, I think Central board was
Why?
my favorite.
Why? What qualities?
Sir, generally they do have formative assessments and summative assessments. Semester system, which came later in Gujarat board, was already
very
in place.
liberal boards.
Very liberal.
Sir, I would not be able to judge that.
Okay. You did your graduation and post-graduation from Surat.
Yes.
Huh? SVNIT. There is a South Gujarat University and the name of Veer Narmad is attached to it. Can you say something about Veer Narmad?
Sir, not much idea about it, but he is a renowned poet as of what I know.
Of which century?
Sir, sorry, I have no idea about it.
But university, there are many poets, but his
No, sir.
name is attached to it.
Sir,
So
actually,
some other things must be there, important things.
sir, I am from SVNIT, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai National
No
Institute.
matter.
I do not have idea about the university.
SVNIT હોય કે બીજું હોય પણ સુરત is known
Yes.
for Narmad. Integrated MSc chemistry you did. And you are native from Rajkot?
Sir, currently we live in Rajkot.
Huh?
Currently we live in Rajkot. So
Currently living, but not native.
my roots are from Rajkot.
Acha? Okay. Why did you prefer public administrative job?
Sir, since we are known to be welfare state, there will never be substitute for services in services like bureaucracy. There can never be privatization of it. So one of the reasons is that it is always in importance.
But when you have done your masters in integrated chemistry, you would not like to serve that field.
I would agree that science has a very good scope when it comes to women, because we have good schemes also for promoting women in STEM. But my keen interest was always in administration since childhood.
Have you studied about laws which empower people?
Yes.
Can you name few?
Sir, the most recent that I could recall of is RTI Act.
Is it recent?
No, I mean
Is it recent?
very famous, which
RTI in which year?
RTI Act 2005.
So 20 years.
Yes.
Tell me something about it.
It is Right to Information Act, where we as citizen of India could ask for information to bring transparency between governance and society.
You have to file application addressed to PIO and he supplies information. What is PIO?
Public Information Officer.
If you want to file application for central government and central government is far away, where you can file that RTI?
Sir, I do not know very detailed procedure, but I do know that via post office it could be filed.
Via post office. Public speaking will not be useful in public administration because our public administration is faceless.
Yes.
Then how it will be useful?
Sir, public speaking not only involves giving speeches or participating in debates. It also includes interpersonal relationships when it comes to communication with people. And civil servants are known for public dealing every single day of their career. So I think my speaking skills would help
Do
me.
you have any public orators in your mind whom you appreciate, whose qualities you try to imbibe?
Yes, one of the very admirable public speaker is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir. The reason I admire him is because he has that ability to connect with the audience. When he has different approaches while he approaches different group. Suppose,
Any other personality?
sir, I also connect very much with Oprah Winfrey. She's a renowned anchor, and she has motivated so many people, especially being a black woman. She has been a role model.
What about Atal Bihari Vajpayee?
Sir, he is a charismatic personality.
You heard him?
Sir, very few speeches or small clips that I've watched.
Nehru?
No, sir, I've not heard many speeches.
Very known public speeches in the history of India. 1, 2, 3, you can.
One of them is Tryst with Destiny on the eve of independence. Our Prime Minister.
Where was it made?
Lal Killa. Red Fort.
Any other?
Sir, I am not able to recall.
Acha, what do you know about PIL? PIL.
Sir, it stands for public interest litigation. Basically, it means a person who is not affected can also file a case for the affected person when he or she is not able to.
After so many years of developmental schemes for women, we are still talking about women's empowerment.
Yes.
Why? What remains to be done?
Sir, on ground, we do see that we have empowered women in personal sphere, but there are many women who are not given opportunity to come as equal as men in public sphere. Though we have provisions of equal pay, we hardly see that in practice, apart from government institutions, obviously. So I think that is one of the major things that we need women empowerment for. Second is.
Okay, fine.
So you have done NCC from your college days, am I right? Fine. So why you haven't choose defense force, and why are you coming to this civil services?
Sir, I did attempted 2 CDS examinations. I got called for SSB. I could not clear it, unfortunately, and now my age limit is not allowing me to participate further.
Okay, so let me continue the same question with it. As you haven't cleared those CDS examination, what are 2 or 3 factors which may hamper your chances for the civil service examination? Your own personality factor.
Sir, one I would mention is I'm a multitasker. So at times it happens that my focus is affected because of it. Second is I tend to associate myself with expectations a lot. So I overthink and I overwork to meet the expectations, and I get upset when those expectations are not achieved. So I think I need to learn how to handle upsets.
Okay. You have done your graduation from chemistry. Just tell me the basic difference between acid and base.
Acid is a component that has higher concentration of H plus ion, whereas base has lesser concentration of H plus ion, and OH minus ion supersedes H plus ions.
Only those kind of, or anything else that you want?
Basic difference, if we talk about very basic, acids are generally sour, while bases are generally bitter.
Okay. Why India-US relation is currently in news?
So there are 2 major reasons because of which it is in news. First is Trump administration has again come to power, and second is our Prime Minister's visit has been a talk of the town right now.
Why?
Sir, there are a few factors that Trump administration had already been in use for. One of the reasons is they have certain inclination towards unilateralism, like they have already come out of Paris Accord, so they have certain inclination towards de-dollarization.
Okay, okay. What are your views regarding Pakistan?
They are a neighboring country, and they accept it or not, but they have been fostering terrorism for a long time.
Okay, so you were in NCC, you must have a military mindset. That then don't you think that we should declare war on Pakistan and we should get the POK from the military action?
Sir, despite that we need strong action, a strong hand for handling Pakistan, I do not believe we should wage a war because of two reasons. One, a war is never free of blood. So no matter theirs or ours, there will always be loss of lives, there will be loss of finances, and certainly we have more serious issues than capturing POK, like we have unemployment issues or we have fiscal deficit for a very long time now. COVID has hit very badly our country's economy. So I think those are more important to be dealt with than waging a war.
Okay. Consider a case study where you are employed as a government officer and a group of 10 women came to you in anticipation of some kind of help to uplift their economical and social status. So, which kind of government scheme would you suggest to them?
If I have to talk specifically about economic empowerment, we can talk of Seva, self-help groups, where they where they promote small savings and starting a business. Then we have Mudra scheme for giving them loans. I could recall these right now.
What are one or few fundamental duties that you are not currently maintaining?
Sir, I have not voted in the last legislative assembly elections.
Then how would you consider yourself a good civil servant if you can't basically vote in a general election? If you can't be a good citizen, then how can we expect that you can be a good civil servant?
Sir, I had certain obligation, and one of them was I was staying in state of Delhi, so I could not come back during the election time. And
people used to come back from the foreign land.
Right, sir.
Okay, fine, sir.
Chemistry.
Yes.
Why is it so carbon makes so many compounds?
Sir, carbon has 4 electrons, so it has a versatile tendency of making covalent bonds easily.
Okay. For in outermost cell, no other element has 4 electrons.
Sir, because
Silicon has 4 electrons in its outermost cell. Germanium has.
Sir, all the family members of carbon family do have 4 electrons in outer shell, but the fact that size of carbon is smaller, so there is always more electropositive charge, and nuclear charge is stronger in carbon compared to silicon or germanium.
Okay. Do you know the name of this property? Carbon making so many compounds, or compound making property of. Have you heard about catenation?
Yes, sir. Long chain formation tendency.
Okay. What is corruption? Defined in one sentence.
Using public resources for personal gains is corruption.
Okay, so whenever someone is caught taking cash or something, or cash, let's be specific to cash. It is said that he is caught red-handed. Okay, it is not said he is caught green-handed. He is not caught yellow-handed. What is the chemistry behind it?
Sorry, sir.
No.
I never thought about it.
Chemistry, there is a strong linkage with your subject. This.
I have no idea about it.
Okay, medical termination of pregnancy. This is often debated on ethical grounds.
Yes.
What are your views? What
Sir-
are the ethical grounds and what is your stand?
Sir, I think reproduction rights are should be should be considered in personal domain. But as we also have right to life under Article 21, it is believed that there is a life in fetus as well. So the rule that we have after 26 weeks, we cannot allow.
What is the limit in India?
Sir, it is 26 weeks.
26 weeks or 24 weeks?
Sir, I'm not sure about it.
Okay, there was a famous case, not particular to India, and it was related to the biggest democracy of world, and it was related to medical termination of pregnancy. Are you aware of it?
Sir, that case was, I think, known as Roe.
Versus Wade.
Yes.
So why it was in news? There was a lot of controversy related to it.
Sir, it was basically the judgment was overturned and no more termination of pregnancy was allowed in USA. It was overturned. That is why it was in news.
It was overturned.
Yes.
So a democratic country which is making progress, which is emphasizing on liberty, bodily autonomy, and it is taking such kind of retrospective stand. Why?
Sir, it was also the political standing of the leaders who were in power when the case was overturned. There was a lot of pressure also, and in the society that we are
Why?
talking about.
What kind of pressure?
Sir, in Christianity, it is believed that right from the conceiving, right after conceivement, there is a life, and Christianity do not believe in killing of life.
Okay,
taking away life.
your final stand on this particular act.
Sir, I very much agree with MTP Act that has provision of 24 weeks. That 24-week gives enough time to decide whether a pregnancy should be terminated or not. And on the rarest cases, there could always be exemption.
Okay, since you belong to Surat, you have resided in Surat. How is the health of diamond industry? How is it doing?
Sir, it is right now currently in struggle phase
Why is it so?
because of artificial competition from artificial diamonds and lab grown diamonds that we talk about.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Some conflicts going on around the globe.
Sir, I have not read about it.
Okay, tax expenditure. Have you heard about this particular term?
No, sir.
May I know you have not chosen other posts? You are not willing to.
Sir, I've been
Join.
selected as state tax officer in last TPSC examination.
Okay, that's why. So
Which you can mention.
Yes, sir.
You
I
didn't-
have not joined yet. I have just.
Okay, no problem, but you didn't mention it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Armed Forces Special Power Act. It is severely criticized for some reasons.
Yes.
Can you tell me those reasons?
Sir, under AFSPA Act, officials are exempted from any kind of investigation and they've been given free hand to search and seizure without prior orders. So at times it is seen that those powers are misused and
What is the term used for such atrocities or killings?
Sorry,
Justice
sir.
Reddy used extrajudicial killing.
Yes.
Okay, since you are an impromptu speaker, I will give you a statement. What cannot be cured must be endured. Please elaborate.
Oh, can I take a minute?
Okay. Do I need to repeat this?
No. Do I just have to explain or do I give a speech?
Just 2-3 sentences and you can give some example.
Okay. What cannot be cured should be endured. It talks basically about resilience. At times, it may happen that there is something which is not favorable and we are not ready to accept it. So it can, but it is not curable. It is not in our hands. So at that time, we need to accept the fact that this is certainly a bigger part of a bigger plan or a part of a bigger picture. So at that time, we endure that situation, and it gives us strength or it gives us resilience.
So
quality
during
of-
our journey of preparation, if we are not getting our desired force, it should be endured.
I
Yes, we have to endure the pain. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
thank you.